Okay, we've got the Grand Design Imagine 2470BH, and it is awesome. So many exciting features to have. To start out, we've got the outdoor kitchen and this massive awning as well that stretches the entirety of the trailer. As we come in, you're gonna notice just how open it is and the functionality of it. We've got our 2 bunk beds on the left here, so providing a nice amount of space, and then the washroom as well. So one thing you're gonna notice is the solid surface countertops in the washroom. Really cool, just gives it that much better of a feel. And then still your very functional shower, and then you've got your towel slots there as well. So they did a really good job there. You'll notice you've got lots of space for a social setting. So you've got your 3-person couch, and then your 2 chairs here set up the bar style, so you could fully have a drink or, you know, have a meal while being in this kitchen. It's fantastic. There's so much room, counter space, nice big sink. You got the fridge right here on the left. We also have this part here where you open up the counter. Look, there's already a little bit of garbage in there. You can access it from the outside as well. The bedroom at the back, this is really nice. You've got your walk around queen bed with the extra door, adding that easy access safety feature as well. They've done a really nice job. You got your hanging shelves as well, both sides. So overall, this is a fantastic new floor plan. We've also got the barreled ceiling, opening it right up, giving this a great feel. It's a great size too, so we're under the 30-foot mark at 29 feet overall.